We found this rusty griddle on the curb with no regulator, cleaned it up with an angle grinder, wire brush, and a ton of elbow grease. Re-seasoned it with avocado oil, layer by layer, and now, definitely worth it.
Pretty good bacon.
Bacon. Here we'll show you the step-by-step process that we used. Using a cleaner of your choice, wipe down the outside. Here Jake's using a screwdriver to take the wood handle off of the grill press. Now we'll use a bench grinder to clean up the iron. And doing the same for the wood handle. Now we're using a die grinder to get in the nooks and crannies of the iron. The hand scraper and the angle grinder will get the rest of the rust off. Before seasoning, we'll use soap and water to remove all small metal particles. Time for propane.
Oh, that boy ain't right.
Wait.
So now basically I'm just seasoning the Blackstone so it prevents it from rust. You gotta add heat and then put the oil on there so it creates a non-stick surface so your food doesn't stick and it helps preventing it from rusting. And you do a very thin coat of it. The best thing you can season the cast iron with is a buttload of bacon.
Stay tuned to the end of this video to find out, will Jake burn the bacon? Jake did not burn the bacon.
And that is how you repair and refurbish a Blackstone back to cooking abilities.
Bacon. If you like this type of content, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.